The aviation industry was on edge as rumors swirled about Boeing's plans for the production of its 737 MAX planes. After a tumultuous few years for the American aerospace giant, many were wondering if the company could regain the trust of its customers and regulators, and if the once popular 737 MAX could ever return to its former glory. And then the news broke. Boeing announced its plans to increase production rates of the 737 MAX, a move that could signal a major turning point for the company and the aviation industry as a whole. But with this announcement came a new wave of uncertainty. Would the increased production rates lead to quality control issues and safety concerns? Could Boeing deliver on its promises to meet the strong demand for the plane from airlines worldwide? And what would this mean for the future of the aviation industry as it faces unprecedented challenges and changes? In this video, we'll delve into big Boeing news. Boeing, the American aerospace giant, has announced that it will soon increase production rates of the 737 MAX planes. According to a recent report by Breakwater.com, the company is expected to raise production rates from 31 to 33 planes per month in early 2022, with plans to further increase the rate to 34 planes per month later in the year. This news follows a difficult period for Boeing, which faced significant scrutiny and criticism following the two fatal crashes involving the 737 MAX in 2018 and 2019. The company has since been working to regain the trust of customers and regulators, implementing safety improvements and other changes to the plane. Boeing's decision to increase production rates of the 737 MAX is a sign that the company is regaining confidence in the plane and its future. The 737 MAX is one of Boeing's best-selling planes, and the company will be hoping that increasing production rates will help to meet demand and drive growth in the coming years. However, there are still concerns about the safety of the 737 MAX among some customers and regulators, and Boeing will need to continue to work closely with regulators and other stakeholders to address these concerns and ensure the safety of the plane. In addition to the safety concerns, there are also other challenges facing the aviation industry as a whole, including ongoing travel restrictions, reduced demand for air travel, and a shortage of skilled workers. Boeing will need to carefully navigate these challenges in order to successfully increase production rates of the 737 MAX. Despite these challenges, Boeing remains optimistic about the future of the 737 MAX and its role in the aviation industry. The company has already received orders for hundreds of 737 MAX planes from airlines around the world and will be hoping that increasing production rates will help to meet this demand and drive growth in the coming years. According to Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun, the company is confident that demand for the 737 MAX will continue to grow as air travel returns to pre-pandemic levels. Calhoun has stated that the company is very bullish on the plane's future and is working to increase production to meet that demand. Boeing's plans to increase production of the 737 MAX come at a time when the aviation industry is slowly recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, with vaccines being rolled out around the world and travel restrictions being lifted in many countries. Airlines are beginning to see an uptick in demand for air travel. However, the aviation industry is still facing significant challenges, including ongoing travel restrictions, reduced capacity on flights, and a shortage of skilled workers. Airbus, the European aerospace company and competitor to Boeing, is facing production setbacks due to supply chain issues. Airbus has been experiencing delays in the delivery of critical components, which has led to a slowdown in production rates. This slowdown in production rates is likely to impact Airbus's ability to deliver planes to customers on time. The company has already been facing challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has led to reduced demand for air travel and a slowdown in orders for new planes. Despite these challenges, however, Airbus remains optimistic about the future. The company has a strong backlog of orders for its planes, including the popular A320 family and A350 XWB. Airbus is also continuing to invest in research and development, with plans to launch new planes and technologies in the coming years. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys. Until then, take care, stay safe, and be happy.